Hey guys, welcome to our channel. In today's video, we'll learn how to blend overlay in Capcut PC. So if you want to blend your other clip onto your other clip, then you're onto the right guide. So as you can see here onto the editor's page, the first thing that we need to do is to add in the videos that we want to go ahead and edit. So we have one clip already in here, and to add in more videos or the other video that we want to blend, we're going to click on to import in here to go ahead and browse through different files in here. So just choose in the video that you want to blend, for example, this one. We're going to go ahead and click onto that and click onto open, and it should be automatically added here onto our video. Now to add this to our timeline, you could just simply drag and drop it in here. And we're just going to mute that one first. And this is the other video that we're going to go ahead and use to blend. So we're going to blend this video onto the first video that we have added. Let's go ahead and remove the access for this one. And for us to be able to do that, since we have added this one will be our main video, we're going to click onto the other video in here. And let's head on to the right side of it. Just click on the video in here onto the right side, and under the basic, you should be able to see the option that says blend. So as you can see, you have to check this one so that it should go ahead and open the modes that it offers. We have normal, brighten, and many more. So onto this one, we're going to go ahead and use the overlay option. And as you can see, the video should be overlaid onto the other video that we have in here. So let's try to adjust the opacity for that one, make it more bright. And onto the other video, if you click onto that, we could do the same thing. But since this one is onto a normal mode, we're going to lower the opacity so that the other video should show more. So if you do a quick preview, it should look onto something like this. So as you can see, the two videos are playing and the other video is onto overlay. So you could actually use keyframe as well to use this as more like a transition. So this is what we're going to do. We're going to make this one brighter. And then for this one, for this part, we're going to go ahead and zero the opacity for that one, add in a keyframe, and then we'll keep on adjusting the opacity in here as it go ahead and try to change the video. So you'll just have to click onto the keyframe in here, make it longer. So onto the last keyframe in here, we'll make sure that this one is up until 100 for the opacity. And then right after, let's make this longer. And then let's split these two clips in here, and let's have this one onto 100%. So onto the mode in here, since we've added overlay, onto the other clip, we're going to change this to normal, and this should look something like this. So as you can see, it has transitioned from this first video and it has changed onto the other clip. So it looks like a transition using the overlay feature. And that is just basically it onto how to add an overlay onto your videos here onto Capcut. And if you think this has been helpful, don't forget to hit the like, subscribe, and we'll see you on to our next video.